Good evening, friends. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Evergreen Stock Market. Friends, if you are newcomer to our channel, please see our previous videos at least once. If you feel those are useful and add on to your knowledge, please subscribe to our channel. Friends, Indian markets are in range bound throughout the day. Nifty closed below 9,200 with a loss of 71 points. Sensex closed at 31,443 with a loss of 242 points. Bank Nifty closed at 19,491 with a loss of 202 points. India VIX has fallen by 1.32 points and closed at 39.93. Friends, if you see the Nifty chart, it is trading in the range between 9,250 and 9,150. It touched the upper circuit multiple times a day and it didn't sustain. If you see the chart, one day resistance is at 9,268. If it closed with the strength above 9,300, it will give a breakout. That is my personal opinion. If you see the 30 minutes chart, it has a support at around 9,000. If you see the options data, today Nifty closed around 9,200. It is having the OA interest of large OA interest is around 9,500, which is 8,61,000. The next one is around 9,200, which is 7,82,000. So 9,500 may act as a major resistance according to options data. If you see the puts, major support is around 9,000 with an open interest of 9 lakhs. In charts also, in 30 minutes chart, if we see, the strongest support is around 9,000. Even in options data, the support OA is high around 9,000. So we can consider 9,000 as a strongest support. If you see FII DIA activity, today both FIIs and DIAs are in buy mode. But FIIs brought 19,000 crores. Personally, I feel this is because of the bulk deal which is happened today in Hindustan Unilever Limited. Now let's discuss about the deal. To acquire GSK's India business of Horlicks, Boost and some other nutritional drinks, HUL gave 5.69% shares to GSK. GSK planned to sell those shares at the price band of 1850 to 1950 in the market. According to data, 9 crore shares exchanged hands in NSE today. Since that much bulk deal happened, maybe FIS brought those shares. That's the reason FIS buy activity is more today than the previous days. I got this data from NSE website. If you see the highlighted one, 75% deliverable happened today. That means out of 100% traded quantity, 75% quantity has delivered today. This is the reason I am thinking FIIs had brought this stock in the bulk deal. I want to talk about Kotak Mahindra Bank. Today company announced a salary cut of 10% to employees with CTC more than 25 lakhs per annum. And in a statement it said, the pandemic is not going away anytime soon. Since the company is not positive about the current situation, it sent a negative signal to the market and the share price has dropped to 1199 with a decrease of 3.7%. Next, I want to discuss about S-Bank. Yesterday evening, S-Bank announced Q4 results and reported a net profit of 2,628 crores. It also mentioned net profit included extraordinary item of 6,296 crores which they got from the write-down of 81 bonds. That means without this one-time profit, actually S-Bank is in losses of 3,668 crores. If you see this data, the gross NPA ratio and net NPA ratio is reduced compared to the previous quarter Q3. NPA means non-performing assets. If it is reduced, that is a good news. But we need to wait for some more time before taking any investment decisions related to S Bank because of the recent events happened. And also it reported the deposits has reduced to 1 lakh. In previous years, 2019, in September, it has 2 lakh deposits, but now it is only 1 lakh. And also CASA ratio, which is current account and savings account ratio, reduced compared to the previous year. So definitely we need to wait for some more time before taking any S Bank related decisions. About HCL Technologies. Today, HCL Technologies announced a Q4 results. It reported a revenue of 18,590 crores compared to the previous quarter 18,135. Net profit is 3,154 crores compared to 3,037 crores in Q3. And EBIT is at 3,800 crores compared to 3,670 crores in Q3. And margin also increased to 20.9% compared to 20.2% in Q3. It beats the street estimates. So immediately after the news, the share price of HCL Technologies increased over 4%. But later it reduced, it lost all the profits. And also the company announced a dividend of 2 rupees per share. The news. DR Reddy received an approval from US FDA for its drug, and the drug will be used for the treatment of migraine. Next one is PVR. Today, a news came that government is planning to open malls in green zone. So PVR prices increased. Even though it started in green zone, many of the big cities are still in red zone. And PVR has so many theaters in red zones. So it will take some time to come everything to normal, even for PVR business. And these are some of the companies which partially resume their operations today, which are Escort, Sundaram Fasteners, Gabriel India, Cochin Shipyard, Pidilite Industries, and Maruti. And the next one is CRISIL estimated a 24,000 to 25,000 crore revenue loss in aviation industry due to coronavirus pandemic. After we got this news, Indigo reduced up to 1.7%. And these are the fake news which impacted the stock prices today. The first one is about Reliance Jio. We got a news saying that Microsoft showed interest for the investment in Reliance Jio. After this news, Reliance increased more than 3%. And the next one is about Cadila Healthcare Center. We got this news from one TV channel that 21 corona cases occurred in Ahmedabad factory of Cadila. Later, both the parties denied these newses. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. See you guys in the next video. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Good night.